What's up, guys? Hey, welcome to the now Chevrolet 5.3 LS powered punishstang. What? Yeah, it's craziness. That is going to happen in an upcoming episode. I'm way behind, but I'm filming an intro to an older episode. When I was going to the Burgers and Burnouts Hot Rod and In-N-Out 70th Anniversary Car Show, I really wanted a place to put my phone, and 67 muscle cars didn't come with cell phone holders, and because of the chop top, I don't have a lot of visibility, and I wanted a place to put my phone safely and securely. Again, I don't have a windshield, so I didn't have something to suction cup it to because that vibrates like crazy. So I came up with something that worked really good, and it's actually worked on a bunch of project cars since. It just makes it so easy to stick your phone just about anywhere. So I'm going to show you what it is, and I'm going to show you how I made it. It's just a short, kind of fun video. Check this out. So. I need to see my phone for navigation and stuff like that. You guys know with my condition I have a brain tumor. Navigating is kind of hard. Just think like dementia. Sometimes I need a little help knowing where to go. So I had my GPS, but it was always like down here and out of the way, and that doesn't seem safe. Like you barely see up here, and then it's like somewhere down here. So what I have done was I made a holder that held it right here, so you could just like at a glance, it was just right there. And here's the holder right here. It worked awesome. Let me show you guys with the light. It worked so good. And let me show you how I made it, and it will work great for you unless you put a 5-panel mirror that blocks it. Let's rewind and I'll show you what I did. The window is getting better. Like, it's passable. I believe I can drive like that. I mean, sure, clear as day. Not as clear, but that's all right. We are working on a cell phone mount. I decided I want it up here because it'll be out of the glare of the sun and a little bit more in my direct vision here. I don't like that in this car. Everything's like down here. It doesn't feel safe to me. So if I tuck right here and put this right here. So this is a bracket off like a barbecue grill. And I just, tuck screwed it into whatever that is. And I'm just sanding it off real quick. Then we're going to wipe it down and stick some Velcro on there. And then I have the fuzzy side of the Velcro on the back side of my phone, and then I just stick my phone everywhere. So super free because roadkill phone mount. So I hope that was helpful to you. I will say that the Velcro is awesome. When we did our bus rescue trip, we did 4,000 miles in a bus that we bought in Texas and had to drive back, sight unseen and all that stuff. I just put Velcro on the steering wheel. I was able to stick my phone there every time I drove. It was super easy. Same with really all of our cars, and anywhere I go, even on my bike now, I just made a little panel and stuck that on there. So it's a super easy solution. If you want to continue to see adventures with the punishstang, and I suggest that you do because all this just got put in, it's rowdy, like 340 pound-feet of torque. It's really fun. And yeah, just set some crazy memories at the Zip Tie Drag. It's gonna be really fun. Then stay tuned because those are all coming. Also, if you want to help support getting the punishstang to Power Tour, I'm going on Hot Rod Power Tour this year, and there's some things I got to do to make this safe, like get a real windshield and windshield wipers and windows and things like that, because I'm going to take 2 kids on it's like 7,000 miles to go across the country and make some memories. You can buy one of these punishstang shirts. The link is in my bio. They are only for sale for a month, so think quick about how you can get one. You can also pick up some stickers that are the same design. All right, you guys, stay stoked!